In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Samsung Wallet. First, let's begin by opening the settings on your Samsung device. You can find the Settings app on your home screen or in the app drawer. It typically looks like a gear icon. Once you tap on it, you will enter a menu filled with various options that allow you to customize your device. This step is crucial because the Settings app is the gateway to making significant changes to your device, including the currency settings in Samsung Wallet. You will notice a clean layout, making it easy to navigate through the options. Next, tap on the Apps option. This will lead you to a list of all apps installed on your device. Scrolling through this list, you'll see not only Samsung Wallet, but also all other applications. By selecting Apps, you are narrowing down the settings specifically for the applications, which is essential for changing currency settings. Finding the right app is important to ensure that you are making changes in the correct place. Now, locate and tap on Samsung Wallet from the list of apps. This action will take you to the app-specific settings. Here you can manage various settings related to Samsung Wallet, such as permissions and storage. It's important to select the right app to ensure the changes you make will affect Samsung Wallet specifically. After you tap on it, pay attention to the options that appear on your screen for the next steps. Next, tap on Storage. This section will show you information about how much storage Samsung Wallet is using, along with options to manage that storage. By accessing the storage settings, you are preparing to clear any cached data and settings that might be preventing you from changing the currency. This is a critical step because clearing data can often resolve issues related to app functionality. After that, tap on Clear Data. A confirmation message may appear, warning you that clearing data will erase certain settings and information. This action is vital for resetting the app and potentially allowing you to change the currency settings. Once you confirm, the app will revert to its original state, which can help eliminate any restrictions imposed by previous settings. If you find that you cannot change the country, this is usually because it is tied to your phone's regional software, also known as CSC. Unfortunately, this means the currency setting cannot be altered from within the app itself. Understanding this limitation is important because it helps set your expectations. If changing the country is not supported, you may need to consider other options such as changing your device's region settings, which can be a more complex process. In summary, we covered how to navigate through the settings to attempt changing currency in Samsung Wallet. Opening settings, accessing apps, selecting Samsung Wallet, navigating to storage, and clearing data are key steps in this process. Remember that if your country cannot be changed, it is tied to your phone's regional software, and that is beyond the app's control. Following these steps ensures you have the best chance of successfully altering your settings, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.